Welcome to Kiverco.
Our waste recycling plants are built with backbone. And it's important for us to understand your business so we can offer you the best solution and the quickest return on your investment.
My name's Kenny Hull and I'm the Technical Sales Manager at Kiverco.
With a background in engineering, Kenny has worked for Kiverco since 2008. His experience in the recycling industry covers a variety of roles including direct sales, product development, project management and technical sales support. He has an extensive network of contacts and experience with a wide range of applications and technology.
The consultation phase is very important for us because it allows us to properly understand how your business works and then design a solution that delivers the results you need. Our technical sales team are all engineers who have spent time in various other departments like welding, quality control, installation and commissioning. And our portfolio of technology partners ensures the solutions we offer are flexible enough to cope with different requirements. The process also involves careful analysis of your feed material, and this informs all the decisions we make about equipment specification. Once we've received an order, we then move into the design phase.
I'm Emmett Clark, one of the lead engineers at Kiverco. The first stage of our process begins with a handover from technical sales to make sure that all of our customer requirements are documented. We then get to work on the detailed plant designs. A project manager keeps in contact with the customer throughout the process. This is critical to make sure all the specifics of the site layout, capacity requirements and final plant outputs are clear. Attention to detail at this stage is extremely important. It has to be right. We also visit the customer site and conduct a site survey which helps to build a relationship with the customer and makes for a smooth project delivery process. Once all the designs have been signed off by the customer, we then move into the manufacturing phase.
I'm Martin Hetherington and I'm the production manager here at Kiverco. Once we've got final design approval from the customer, the project is handed over to production where a production plan is put in place. The equipment is manufactured at our 30,000 square foot facility in Northern Ireland. All our processes are ISO 9001 accredited. Regular system and process reviews with the production and design teams make sure that we maintain the efficiency and quality that our customers demand. We also invest heavily in the ongoing training of our production teams to ensure the highest safety and quality standards are maintained. Once all of the equipment has been manufactured, it's ready to be dispatched and handed over to the installation team.
I'm Eamon McCracken. I'm the site engineer at Kiverco. Our first job is to work with production and logistics to get all the equipment delivered to the customer site. We have installed projects not only across Ireland, the UK and Europe, but as far afield as Australia, the Middle East and North America. Every project we deliver is assigned its own dedicated installation team, and they not only install the plant on the customer site, but are also responsible for equipment commissioning.